If you're working with different products within Monday.com, you may have encountered a problem where people say, I can't see the CRM or I can't see work management. Why can't I see any of those boards? Let me show you what you need to enable for your team members so that way they can see all of the different products that they need access to within Monday.com.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
Now, if you're hearing from people of your team that they can't see certain products, it may be because they were not added to those products in the admin section. So the first thing that I want to just show you is where are the products located so you understand that. If you click on these 9 dots in the top left, you can see all of the products that I have access to: work management, CRM, Monday Dev, Service, and Work Canvas. Those are all the ones that I have access to. Now, if I go to the admin section in the top right, and then I click on administration, and then I go to users, there's a column over here called products, and you can see what products everyone has. So we're going to use Rosa as an example, and you can see that she is on all of these products because they're all checked. Now, I can simply uncheck them, and she wouldn't have access to them anymore, or I can add her to each product, and now she has access to each product. Now, keep in mind, people that are members or admins on your account, when they have access to these products, you are paying for their seat. So you want to make sure that you're only giving the seats to people that you're paying for or that you want to pay for. You don't want to just give them all the products because you may not need them on those specific products. So if someone says they don't have access to the products, this is where you should go, to the admin section, and make sure that they have access.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.